አሜሪካን ሀገር ስራ እየፈለጋችሁ ከሆነ በልመና ስራ አታገኙ። ሰዎች ጋር ሊንክድኢን ላይ ሜሴጅ እየላካችሁ ከሆነ ፕሊዝ ሄልፕ ሚ ፋይንድ አ ጃብ፣ ሃይ አም ሉኪንግ ፎር አ ጃብ፣ ዋት ጃብ ዱ ዩ ሃቭ? ነን ኦፍ ዳት ወርክስ። ኦኬ ኢፍ ዩ ጋይስ ዋና ላንድ አ ጃብ በአሜሪካን ሀገር ውስጥ through other people, the way that you're gonna do is by positioning yourself. ራሳችሁን you have to understand and say okay ምንድነው እኔን ይሄን ስራ ለማግኘት ኳሊፋይድ የሚያደርገኝ ብላችሁ ራሳችሁ መጠየቅ አለባችሁ። ኦኬ you need to understand yourself professionally። ምንድነው ስኪሌ፣ ምንድነው የተማርኩት፣ ምንድነው ፕሮቫይድ ማድረግ የምችለው ብላችሁ እሱን አንደርስታንድ ካደረጋችሁ በኋላ you have to communicate that to the person, whether you're messaging them, whether you're talking to them face to face. It's not about what you like but what problem that they have እናንተ ሶልቭ ማድረግ የምትችሉት የሚለውን ነገር አንደርስታንድ ማድረግ ነው ዋናው ነገር ማለት ነው። እኔ መጀመሪያ ስራዬን ሳገኝ that's how I did it. I was networking, I was going to events, and then I was communicating to people what it is that I do, how I can help them, solve a problem that their company has. That is the best way that you're going to find a job. So if you guys want to learn how to do that, YouTube live video post YouTube live @CT Career Coach is my username. Go subscribe. Okay, bye.